What is it, Carlo? Did you win a game on an arcade at Chuck E. Cheese's or something? No, absolutely not. Once upon a time, I was finding some good cute stuff on my recommended, and then a stray video called Poco Poco Pico Dan, with a girl having blood on her right arm, and look, I always thought the thumb, but it turns out real and it was so creepy. When I watched the whole video, I saw blood, gore and child abuse. This traumatized me a lot and made me cry because of those two poor girls being violated by the stranger. And besides, this video is made by Nana825763, aka the guy who makes traumatizing videos. He can also make kawaii stuff to horror. For example, Pika Pika cooking. When he breaks the egg, the title says, "Why did you murder the egg?" And in Poco Poco 商品, the number says 666666, which is the number of the devil, and causes the video to be creepy.